So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix second monitor not detected in Windows 10. So how to fix it, let's get started. First what you need to do is press Windows plus P on your keyboard, and then here it is usually selected to PC screen only, that's why the second monitor is not showing anything. What you need to do is just click on extend or duplicate, and it will suddenly appears on your second monitor as well. So this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.